Imagine waking up not to the blaring sound of an alarm clock, but whenever your body feels truly rested. You stroll into your kitchen, the morning sun streaming through the window, and make yourself a fresh cup of coffee. There's no rush, no frantic scramble to beat traffic or catch a train. Instead, you take a moment to enjoy the peace and quiet of your own home, knowing that your day is entirely yours to design. As you sip your coffee, your phone buzzes with a notification. You glance at the screen and see, "Congratulations, you've made a sale, $3,000. It's not a dream or a fantasy. This is a real possibility, and for many it's already their daily reality. This isn't a scene from a movie or a story reserved for the lucky few. It's the new normal for thousands of people who have chosen to work from home, on their own terms, setting their own schedules and building their own futures. The digital world has shattered old barriers and opened up opportunities that were unimaginable just a decade ago. Today, anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can tap into a global marketplace, reaching customers and clients from every corner of the world, all from the comfort of their living room. This isn't about chasing after get-rich-quick schemes or falling for empty promises. It's about leveraging a proven system, one that's been tested and refined by countless others before you. The heavy lifting is done for you, so you can focus on what matters most, building your income and your freedom. Imagine saying goodbye to long commutes, stressful office politics, and the feeling of being trapped by a boss or a rigid schedule. No more limits on your earning potential, no more sacrificing your time and energy for someone else's dream. All you truly need is a laptop, a reliable internet connection, and the willingness to learn something new. The tools are simple and the barrier to entry is lower than ever before. This lifestyle isn't reserved for tech geniuses or marketing experts. Ordinary people, students, parents, retirees, and professionals from all walks of life are discovering that they too can thrive in this new digital economy. You don't need to invent a product, manage complicated logistics, or worry about storing inventory in your garage. The beauty of this model is its simplicity. You can run your business with nothing more than your computer and a willingness to follow a proven path. Your role is to be the bridge, connecting people with high-value products and services they already want and need. In return, you earn significant commissions, often far more than traditional jobs could ever offer. This is high-ticket affiliate marketing, a business model that's transforming lives around the world. People from every background are building real, sustainable incomes and enjoying the freedom to work from anywhere. The path to success is clear and straightforward. Just follow the simple steps laid out in a proven blueprint, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can start seeing results. There's no guesswork, no confusion, just actionable guidance every step of the way. If you've ever dreamed of more freedom, more control, and more income, your journey can begin right here, right now, from the comfort of your own living room. The opportunity is real, and it's waiting for you to take the first step. Many aspiring entrepreneurs dive into the world of online business with high hopes and a burst of enthusiasm, dreaming of freedom and financial independence. But soon, reality sets in, and the journey becomes much harder than expected. The excitement quickly fades as they realize just how much there is to learn and do, often all by themselves. They try to tackle affiliate marketing solo, spending countless hours building websites, writing content, and researching products, hoping to strike gold. But with so much information online, it's easy to get lost in the digital noise. There are endless strategies, tools, and conflicting advice, making it hard to know what actually works. Without a clear step-by-step strategy, their efforts often become scattered and unfocused. This leads to wasted time, mounting frustration, and a sense of defeat. The sheer volume of information can be paralyzing. Instead of making progress, they find themselves stuck in analysis paralysis, second-guessing every decision and jumping from one tactic to another. They constantly switch between browser tabs, try new tools, and scribble endless notes but rarely see real results. The lack of focus makes it nearly impossible to build momentum. Technical challenges add another layer of stress. Building websites, setting up sales funnels, and managing digital tools can be overwhelming, especially for those without a tech background. These hurdles can also become expensive, draining both time and money. On top of that, the journey can feel incredibly lonely. Without support or guidance, motivation fades, and self-doubt creeps in. Many entrepreneurs end up working late nights, isolated and unsure if they're on the right path. Eventually, the lack of a proven roadmap and a support system takes its toll. Frustrated and discouraged, many give up before they ever see results. The vast majority walk away with nothing to show for their hard work, feeling like their dreams have slipped through their fingers. But it doesn't have to be this way. A supportive community and a clear, actionable strategy are crucial for turning dreams into reality. When you have guidance, accountability, and a proven system, everything changes. Don't go it alone. Leverage a system designed for your success. Surround yourself with people who want to see you win, and watch your online business journey transform. What if you could bypass common pitfalls and plug into a turnkey system for success? This complete ecosystem is designed for beginners, eliminating guesswork and technical headaches. It includes pre-built, high-converting sales funnels and powerful marketing tools. Your job is to drive traffic to these funnels. The system handles the rest. Automation separates struggling affiliates from successful ones. Join a supportive community with ongoing training and live coaching. Proven tools, expert guidance, and community support make success probable. This system levels the playing field, giving everyone a fair shot at success. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn income online by connecting people with products they already want or need. At its core, it's simple. You earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services without having to create your own. This means you don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. All you do is share valuable recommendations and get rewarded when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. You act as a trusted referrer, helping people discover solutions while earning a percentage of each sale. Whether you share your link on social media, through a blog, or in a private message, every time someone buys using your link, you get paid. It's a win-win. Customers find what they need, and you earn passive income. This system specializes in high-ticket affiliate marketing, which means you're promoting premium products or services that offer much larger commissions per sale. Instead of focusing on low-cost items that require hundreds of sales to make a significant income, you can earn more with just a handful of successful referrals. Imagine earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars from a single sale. With high-ticket offers, your efforts are rewarded more generously, allowing you to scale your income faster and with less effort compared to traditional affiliate marketing. You don't have to search for products or build complicated websites. The system provides you with pre-approved, high-converting offers and professionally designed sales funnels that are proven to work. These sales funnels are crafted to guide potential customers step by step through the buying process, answering their questions and addressing their needs, which maximizes your chances of earning a commission. Your main responsibility is to drive targeted traffic to the front end of the funnel. This means getting the right people to see the offers, whether through social media, paid ads, content marketing, or other strategies. The system includes step-by-step training that teaches you beginner-friendly, effective methods for generating traffic, even if you have no prior experience in marketing or technology. Automated email sequences are set up to nurture leads, build trust, and guide potential customers toward making a purchase. This automation means you can build relationships and close sales around the clock, even while you sleep. Every sale is tracked back to you, and your commissions are automatically calculated and deposited directly into your account. You can monitor your progress and earnings in real time. So, focus on learning how to generate quality traffic. Let the automated system handle the rest, and watch as your affiliate business grows, giving you more freedom and flexibility in your life. This system provides a complete toolkit to launch your online business. Your customized branded website is built for you, establishing your online presence. A powerful, automated sales funnel converts visitors into customers. Preloaded with high-ticket affiliate offers, you're approved to promote from day one. Comprehensive training and ongoing support guide you through the process. A dedicated support team and community are available for questions and encouragement. Skip the frustration of product searches and affiliate program rejections. Start promoting proven products that sell. The support structure ensures you're never left in the dark. Build your business with confidence and ease. Get your online business running in just 30 minutes. Follow straightforward instructions to personalize the system and connect accounts. Sign up, create your account, and follow the setup wizard. Activate pre-built sales funnels with a click, generating unique affiliate links. Connect your autoresponder for automated email follow-ups. Training provides a simple tutorial for setup. Review traffic training to start directing visitors to your funnels. Choose traffic methods that suit your style and budget. Complete these steps, and your business is live. No guesswork, technical frustration, or long waiting periods. Activate your path to success today. You don't need to be an expert to start an online business with this system. It's designed for beginners, requiring no prior sales, marketing, or tech experience. Like using a microwave, this system simplifies online marketing. Leverage the expertise of professionals without paying high fees. Promote high-quality, in-demand products from day one. Skip product creation and focus on earning commissions. Learn as you earn, applying strategies immediately. The support community helps you every step of the way. Build confidence and momentum with practical, action-oriented learning. Let go of the excuse of inexperience and start today. Knowledge becomes power only when applied. Take the first step to change your life. Don't wait for all the answers. The system removes traditional barriers. Your commitment is the missing ingredient. Procrastination is the enemy. Seize the moment and make it perfect. Decide today to change your life's trajectory. Create momentum with small, early wins that build confidence. Follow the simple, step-by-step blueprint provided. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity to build your business. Don't let fear hold you back. Take action today. The power to change your life is in your hands. We've explored the potential of earning from home with high-ticket affiliate marketing. This system eliminates technical headaches and provides tools, training, and support. It's a vehicle for creating the life you've dreamed of, with freedom and control. The future is yours to create, one decision at a time. An automated system generates income around the clock. This is a tangible reality for those willing to take the first step. The choice is yours. Continue with the status quo or embark on a new journey. The risk of inaction is greater than trying. Invest in yourself and your future by starting today. Your journey to financial freedom begins now.